Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to change your Apple ID in your country in App Store. Here is going to be the fix that you're looking for. So the first thing I want you to do is going to be canceling your subscription plan by going to settings right there, going to your account, and canceling every subscriptions plans you have here. Again, that will be your account, subscriptions, and basically for this one, making sure everything is canceled. Alright? So if that doesn't work, I'm gonna have another way for you guys here. Go to App Store and on your account, click on subscriptions and basically cancel everything on this part right here. Now let's just say it's still not working. You're still having some persistence on changing your country or region in your App Store. So you want to go to settings right here and basically type in here VPN if you really cannot find it. I'm gonna type VPN there and making sure this is not connected to any of your Apple devices. Alright? Now, for example, if the problem still persists, under App Store, basically log out on this one. Log out on your account. As you can see right there, sign out, moving forward, and just re-sign in. Maybe that problem will fix that one. Other than that, if the problem still persists, let's try this other method. Now for the next method, making sure your software update is going to be the latest version you have here. Again, under settings, we're just going to dwell on settings here. Go to general and software update for this one. The latest version as of now while I'm making this video would be 18.5. Make sure you have that one as well. And then after that one, let's just say the problem is still persisting. Alright? So for that being said, I have one final solution for you. Under here, looking for general again, all the way down, there should be transfer or reset iPhone. And for this one, making sure that your data is backed up, your photos, your cloud is backed up, we're gonna erase all content and reset your iPhone altogether. And that will now fix your problem. Now, once that's done, just go to your App Store. And basically with this one, you can now change your location moving forward. Alright? So thank you so much. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.